Welcome to our channel. Today we how to upgrade your mutual funds with Fidelity Investments, complete guide step by step clearly. To upgrade your mutual funds with Fidelity Investments, start by logging into your Fidelity account. Visit the Fidelity Investments website and enter your username and password. Once you are logged in, navigate to the Accounts and Trade tab on the main menu. Select Mutual Funds from the drop-down menu. On the Mutual Funds page, you will see an overview of your current holdings. Identify the mutual fund you wish to upgrade. Click on the fund's name to access its details. Review the fund's performance, fees, and other relevant information. Next, go to the Transactions section located on the Fund Details page. Choose the option to exchange or upgrade your mutual fund. Select the target mutual fund you want to upgrade to from the list provided. Ensure the new fund aligns with your investment objectives and risk tolerance. Enter the amount you wish to invest in the new mutual fund. Review any applicable fees or charges related to the upgrade. Confirm the details of the exchange or upgrade transaction. Submit your transaction by clicking the appropriate button. After submission, you will receive a confirmation of your upgrade. Check your account to ensure the changes have been implemented successfully. Keep track of your new mutual fund's performance over time. Consider periodic reviews to assess if further upgrades may be necessary to meet your financial goals. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation step. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.